What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on EMKWAN Reviews. So today's video is going to be a bit of a kind of vlog stroke hands-on video. I'm experimenting with this new style. If you like the video style, then remember to smash that like button down below and leave a comment as well. So where are we? Well, I'm not in Abu Dhabi, I'm actually in Dubai, specifically in an area that I've never been to before. This is Jumeirah Islands. We're here today because I've been invited by the guys at Sony Middle East to check out one of the hottest new point and shoot cameras, the RX 100 Mark 6. Guys, check out all these beautiful Sony cameras, and there are a lot of RX 100 Mark 6s. Now I'm not going to pick any of them up because we're going to have a kind of introduction right now. We're going to have some breakfast hopefully. So my breakfast arrived on the table, but something else came at the same time, which is this, the RX 100 Mark 6. And I got much more excited about this than I did the avocado toasty. Right guys, brunch is done. Now, next to me is Muhammad here from the guys at Sony, and I have in my hand the brand new RX 100 Mark 6. So what I want to do is I want Muhammad to just like kind of tell us, because he's had more time with this device, what are like the top 3 features that stand out for you about the Mark 6?
So for the Mark 6, like the first things, it will be like the lens. It's a 24-200mm Zeiss lens,
which is ideal, especially like you mentioned that in your keynote, the fact that, you know, for travelers and people that need to get that
and second things, like for the screen, that it's 180 tilt screen, that we can just like use it if you want to take like kind of like a selfie shot, or like for any top angle shot that you can use the screen as a 90 degrees.
And this is important, especially for those of us, like, you know, we film like sort of unboxings from the top.
Exactly, so it's very flexible, just like for any kind of shot that you can use it.
What's your favorite feature?
My favorite features, to be honest, with this camera is the video, the 4K HDR, and we can get like a lot of pro features. Like you can get it like in a very pro cameras, like S-Log and
for color correction. And
yeah, for color correction, everything, and even the frame rate. That for slow motion, it's 1000 frames per second. So much like 1000 frames per second in this size, that it's something incredible. And
that's one of the things I'm really excited about, because you know I'm using another camera, the G7X. It doesn't have slow-mo. So like in the past, when I've tried to get slow-mo clips, I've had to film it on here, then post-edit it on, you know, Final Cut Pro, and it doesn't come out smooth. Some of you have commented about that, so this is one of the things I'm really keen on trying out with this.
Yeah. And maybe the last things, that if you want to create like kind of like a crazy content, like with the 24 frames per second continuous shooting, you can create like stop motion and all this kind of content. So yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm gonna try and play around with this and give you a full kind of hands-on review later on in a separate video, but for now this is a hands-on first impression with the RX 100 Mark 6. I'm not gonna lie, I actually want one of these. That looks so nice. How retro does that look? Alright, this is something that I want to quickly show you, because this for me really stuck out. This is a new kind of selfie stick that's going to launch alongside the RX 100 Mark 6. And the cool thing about this, especially if you're a vlogger, is the fact that you have a lot of the controls on the front. So I don't know if you can see, but you have the shoot button, the photo button, zoom in, zoom out, and it's connected directly to the Mark 6. Or to the cameras. I need to know if it'll work with all of the cameras, but that just makes life so much more easy. And there's a stand, let me show you. So this will actually work with all of the RX series of cameras, plus this small thing as well, which, let me give you a closer look, because this is pretty cool. Check this out, the RX Zero. Functions and features on this are actually really impressive. I'll post a link down below for you guys to check that out. Here's one with a accessory on the front. That looks badass. The great thing about these cameras is that they can actually be connected up as well. Nice. Okay, that is done. I got given a very interesting gift bag, so we'll have to unbox that later on and show you what's inside. But right now, I'm gonna head back to Abu Dhabi. Guys, it is so hot at the moment. Like, honestly, it's just the heat here is just something else. Now, I haven't mentioned this on the vlog, but I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna be heading out of the UAE for a couple of weeks. I usually have a summer vacation, summer break, so I'm looking forward to that. And one of the things that I want to do before I go is I want to do like a travel bag kind of thing, like the stuff that I travel with, because quite a few of you have been asking, and I've been seeing it pop up time and time again on YouTube. So if that's something that you want to see, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to do that. And there's one other thing, which is a brand new video sharing with you my new car, because I ended up getting a new car. I'll explain in the video why I got a new car and what happened to the other car, but here's a little teaser. Right, that's the teaser right now. You know I said it was hot? This is how hot it is. Can you see all that sweat? Literally from like 2 minutes out trying to capture some footage of the car. Anyway, gonna head back now to Abu Dhabi and then we'll unbox what is in there. Alright guys, so I'm back at base. Hello Zayn, high five.
I had the spinner.
You have a spinner. Alright, well I'm going to show these guys what I got given in this bag. Do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So on my way out, the good guys at Sony gave me, ready? Oh, it's a camera.
It's a camera.
It's actually an action camera. Now this has been out on the market for a while, and it's quite a nifty little camera. This is actually, where is it? The HDR AS50R, and a cool little kit. And this particular model comes with the live view remote kit as well, so that's something to sort of play around with. Now this is going to be a cool camera to test out. I'll probably do that when I get back, particularly because this thing is great underwater and it's more of an action camera as well. But what most of you are really excited about seeing is the camera that's coming for me later on this week. Now, that's the one that most of you are going to be excited to see me review, so stay tuned to the channel, because that camera is going to be tested while I'm traveling, and I'm traveling hopefully later on this week. By the time you see this video, I probably or might be up in the air, so do stay tuned to the channel. Trust me when I say that's the camera that you want to see me review. And that's it for now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, smash that like button down below and leave a little comment. And if you want to stay up to date with what I'm up to while I'm traveling, then go follow me over on Instagram, because I'll be posting live, or I'll be posting daily updates on Instagram stories. Until then, I'm EMKWAN. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.